In this video, you will learn how to set up a checkweighing application with 5 zones of tolerance. Log in as administrator beforehand. From the main menu, select Application, then select Application, enable Manual Target, and choose Over/Under. Go back to the Application menu, then Memory, select Material Table, and tap on Add New Material. Enter the material name, TAR ID if applies, and description. Go to Next Page and enable Over/Under. Then proceed entering the target and tolerance limits. Go back to the main screen to test your settings.